Welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here guys, we're going to solve some questions on exponential equations. So the first question says solve for x. 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 8. So we're going to have this 2x equal to 8. But guys, we want to simply record that 8 can also be written as 2 raised to the power of 3. From laws of indices, power 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So 8 can be written as this. So that means 2x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3. And if you recall from the basic rule I gave previously on my video, I talked about the rules of exponential fraction. And we have a rule that says if am is equal to an, then we all need to equate the power, whereby m is equal to n. So from this rule, 2x is equals to 2 raised to the power of 3. So therefore x is equals to 3. And guys, this is the answer. Alright, we have this question here that says solve for x. 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 125. So right here guys, the first thing we want to do, we can easily rewrite 125 as 5 raised to the power of 3, which implies that 5 times 5 times 5 is going to give us 125. So if 125 can be written as this, then we have that 5x plus 1 is equals to 5 raised to the power of 3. And from the rule 1, that is the basic rule of exponential equation, we have that a raised to the power of m is equals to a raised to the power of n, which implies that m is equals to n. So from this basic rule, we can write that 5x plus 1 equals to 5 raised to the power of 3 can be written as x plus 1 equals to 3. That means since the bases are the same, all we want to do is to equate the power, and that is what we've done right here. So in order for us to solve for x, we want to simply collect like terms. That is, we have x is equals to 3 minus 1 and x is equals to 2. And guys, this is our answer. Alright, so we have this question here that says solve for x. 7 raised to the power of x is equals to 1. So the first thing we want to do is to recall from the property of exponents. So let's simply recall from the property of exponents. We have a formula that says a raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1 for a greater than equals to 0. So we have this right here. Now, making use of this property, we can easily say that if 7x is equals to 1, then we have that x is equals to 0 from this rule. Okay, and this is the answer. Guys, let's simply take this one more time. We have that we come from the property of exponents that any number raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. And in order for us to be able to solve for x, if 7x is equals to 1, then x is equals to 0 from this property, and that is how it is being solved. So lastly guys, let's simply take this example right here. We have solve for x. 4 raised to the power of x minus 1 is equals to 64. So let's simply solve for x. So but recall that 64 can also be written as 4 times 4 times 4, which is equals to 4 raised to the power of 3. So if 64 can be written as this, then we have that 4x minus 1 is equals to 4 raised to the power of 3. So we can say since the bases are equal, all you need to do is to equate the exponents. So you simply equate the exponents, and this become x minus 1 equals to 3. So solving for x, we have x is equals to 3 plus 1 and x is equals to 4. And this becomes our answer. So guys, these are some ways in which you can solve exponential equations by making use of this property.